Are you looking for the best electric wheelchairs for outdoor? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric wheelchairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DAHAIY Foldable Electric Wheelchair. The DAHAIY electric wheelchair is designed for adults seeking mobility and independence. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame makes it easy to transport and maneuver, whether you're indoors or outdoors. With dimensions of 45-inch LX26W x36H and a folded size of 31 LX31W x15H, it fits conveniently in tight spaces. You can enjoy a travel range of up to 15 miles on a single charge, perfect for daily outings. This all-terrain wheelchair supports users up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and stability on various surfaces. What we like: lightweight and portable, 15-mile travel range, durable aluminum alloy frame, supports up to 300 pounds. Number 2. POWET Intelligent Foldable Electric Wheelchair. The POWET electric wheelchair offers a remarkable travel range of 15 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for outings to parks and shopping malls. Its lightweight and foldable design allows you to easily transport it, fitting snugly into your car's trunk. With a user-friendly 360-degree joystick and intelligent safety features, this wheelchair ensures smooth navigation on various terrains while keeping you secure during your journey. Built with a robust iron frame and comfortable seating, it provides durability and support, making mobility more enjoyable for those with limited physical strength. What we like: long travel range, lightweight and portable, easy to operate, durable construction. Number 3. MaritSA Lightweight Foldable Electric Wheelchair, Model 3. The MaritSA Foldable Electric Wheelchair, Model 3, is a versatile and convenient wheelchair designed for comfortable mobility support in all areas of life. Weighing only 40 pounds, it is the lightest foldable power wheelchair available. With its 1-second folding feature, it can be easily placed in the trunk of various vehicles and dragged like a suitcase in the folded state. Equipped with powerful, energy-saving, and durable motors, together with high-quality rubber tires, it provides better traction, making it easier to navigate steeper slopes. The electromagnetic brake ensures smooth and safe stops. With a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour, it can operate for up to 6 miles on a single charge. The seat cushion and backrest cover are made of air-breeze material, comfortable and can be detached for washing. The footrest can collapse inward to provide a closer and easier stand-up position. The double-joint armrests are strong enough to support heavier weight and can be lifted up easily, so you can get closer to tables or easier transfer. It is equipped with hydraulic anti-tilt support. What we like: super lightweight, 1-second folding, powerful motors, durable tires, comfortable cushion. Number 4. Aotedor 35 pounds Carbon Fiber Electric Wheelchair. The Aotedor electric wheelchair is designed for individuals who need lightweight mobility solutions. Weighing only 35 pounds, it's easy to transport on planes, trains, or cars, making travel hassle-free. With a long-range capability of up to 25 miles on a full charge, you can enjoy extended outings without worry. Safety is enhanced with dual controllers, allowing a companion to assist, while features like an electromagnetic braking system ensure secure navigation. Plus, its carbon fiber construction is 7 times sturdier than traditional materials, so you can confidently tackle various terrains with minimal upkeep. What we like: lightweight and portable, 25-mile range, dual control for safety, sturdy carbon fiber build. Number 5. MBBMW Electric Wheelchair for Adults. The MBBMW electric wheelchair offers advanced features designed for your comfort and mobility. Its smart control system, powered by an AI chip, ensures quick and precise movements, making it easy to navigate any terrain. With a lightweight yet sturdy build, this wheelchair supports up to 330 pounds and folds in just 3 seconds for effortless storage. You'll appreciate its impressive range of up to 15 miles on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy longer outings without worry. Plus, its excellent climbing ability helps you tackle slopes and steps with confidence. What we like: lightweight and foldable design, smart control system, long travel range, excellent climbing capability.